facet of Oromo culture adds rich layers to the film's message and potential impact. Here are some specific ideas for how you can showcase each wife's role. Cuqasa, the skilled farmer. Show her tending to lush fields, utilizing traditional Oromo farming techniques and wisdom passed down through generations. Conflict could arise when a drought threatens the community, showcasing her resourcefulness and resilience in finding solutions. She could represent the Oromo people's deep connection to the land and respect for nature. Hawa, the wise elder. Portray her as a guiding force, sharing stories and proverbs that teach moral lessons and uphold Oromo cultural values. She could provide Garba with counsel during difficult decisions, drawing on her knowledge of history and tradition. Her presence could signify the importance of honoring elders and preserving heritage. Mahia, the talented musician. Depict her using music and dance to celebrate Oromo rituals and festivals, bringing joy and unity to the community. She could face challenges when traditional music is threatened by outside influences, leading her to advocate for preserving cultural expressions. Mahia could represent the power of art in communication, community building, and cultural identity. Adane, the strong warrior. Show her protecting the community from external threats, utilizing her skills and courage to maintain peace and justice. She could advocate for nonviolent solutions when possible, reflecting Oromo values of peace and reconciliation. Adane could embody the Oromo spirit of resistance and strength in the face of adversity. Cuqasa, the gentle healer. Portray her using natural remedies and traditional healing practices to care for the sick and injured. She could face resistance from those who favor modern medicine, showcasing the value of indigenous knowledge and holistic approaches. Cuqasa could represent the Oromo emphasis on harmony with nature and spiritual well-being. These are just a few suggestions, and you can certainly personalize each wife's role and backstory to add even more depth and complexity to the narrative. Remember, the key is to showcase the diversity and richness of Oromo culture through each character's unique contribution to the story. By highlighting the strengths, values, and challenges faced by each wife, you can create a multifaceted and moving film that celebrates Oromo culture while exploring universal themes of family, love, and navigating life's complexities. I encourage you to continue developing this wonderful idea and bring Garba and his wives to life on the big screen.